Hello, Slathering barbecue. Let's smoke some spare ribs from wild hog. First make seasoning mix. Thyme, pepper, coriander, basil, garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne, then some ginger, some salt, and some paprika, then some sage. Recipe below. Mix it all. Then we've got ribs. These were given to us and they're cut 2 bones to each piece. Anyway, just dousing them in some IKEA thyme infused oil and then putting the season on there, vacuum sealing and throwing them in the fridge for 4 hours. Seasoning smelled really nice. Anyway, I've decided to make a divider for this little grill as well, so I'm just taking some measurements, then moving into the garage where I can cut it up. So it's 6 centimeters by 23.5, and that should be easy enough to do. Measuring it out on, I'm using aluminum because that's what I had. Just getting it measured out and then cutting it down. Don't forget to file down all the edges because you can get pretty sharp. Then you need a stand, so I'm using this leftover piece of material that I had. Just fixing it with a couple of screws and that's it. Let's see how it fit the grill then, because I didn't try it before I screwed it all together. Yeah, looks good enough to me. Okay, so I'm gonna add some lit charcoal to the fixed ones, letting it get up to temp 338, adding a little bit of mesquite wood. There we go. Putting the ribs on, thermometer in. It took about 2 hours and 20 minutes, and this is what we had. Kept temperature pretty well. It's nothing for low and slow, but hot and fast goes really well. There we go, some wild hog ribs on the gangster grill with the new divider. Got a little bit of a smoke ring there. I used mesquite. Well, this tastes really nice. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.